Morning, students. Today we will see word problems of the maxima and minima, and these are gonna very important questions because definitely one of the question will come for 6 marks. So let me start. The first, I just want to take a easy question so that I can tell you what kind of question may be there. Question number 13. Question number 13 to 33 page. Question says find two numbers whose sum is 24, whose product is large as possible. Try to understand the language. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is uh, large as possible. So the question, the meaning of the question, try to understand the meaning of the question. If I would ask you find two numbers whose sum is 24, lots of predictions may be there. By trial and error method, if you go on, lots of that options you might have, because sum of number 24 like 2 plus 12 or 12 plus 2, whatever, or 3 plus 11 or 4 plus 10. Lots of numbers, two numbers whose sum may be 24. Sorry, 24 is 22. Let me take 22, 21, 20 and so on. This time their sum is 24. But what question says their product must be maximum. Large meaning maximum. So if you will go on this, product of these two numbers is 24, 44. Product of this number is 63. Product of these two is 80. And lots of options may have. So my question is, or according to this, we have to search such a two number whose sum is 24 but whose product should be large. Meaning 2 and 24, if I have chosen, I got their product 44. According to this, I got 63 product. According to this option, I got 80 as a product. But what is the correct answer? So that only the thing we want to find out, students. So look at the thing which I want to share with you. Here we start a question like find two numbers whose sum is 24. Let numbers are x and y. X and y. As per question, whose sum is 24? X plus y is equal to 24. So that is given equation. Now we want the product of x and y must be large, meaning maximum. So the thing, student, try to understand to the function which you want to show maxima or minima will be your main function. So here the main function is product. So we assume that the product is called P. Suppose P is a product of x into y. So if I simply ask you what to show, product is maximum, large meaning maximum. So what to show? We have to show that, we have to find that product should be maximum. And what are those numbers? Finally, we can find out easily. So first of all, we will prove that the product P is maximum. So P is a function of x and y. But till now you have seen in all question we used to have y equal to something of function of x, and what you used to do, dy by dx, then find critical point, then d square y by dx square, then check, and so that you can easily find that at the critical point function is local maximum or local minimum. Similar kind of the situation here, where p is a main function to which we have to show it is a maximum. So P must be the function of either x or y. It is a function of both variable x, y. So whatever the given thing, we will use it. And student, what we will do, we will just take the value of one of the variable. Suppose I'm choosing y, 24 minus x, and I'll put here 24 minus x. And now you should be happy that when I multiply to x in the bracket, I would have p is a main function of x. Now we want to show p is a maximum, and what to do? dp by dx. Because till now you have shown y is a maximum, dy by dx. Then what you used to do? d square y by dx square. Then by the critical point you check. Here also same I'll do, but instead of y I have p as a function. So because we want to show p is a maximum, so dp by dx, I'll go with dp by dx. Do the differentiation. 24 x have a 1 differentiation, x square is a 2x. Now taking as usual, dp by dx is equal to 0. Then 24 minus 2x is equal to 0. 24 equal to 2x. So I got x equal to 12. But this is not my destination. We want that x is okay. We want x. We already have got x here. But we have to show that the product is maximum. Product is maximum. So okay. So we'll check now. How to check? We find double differentiation. So what is double differentiation? D square p by dx square. Look at it is having 0 differentiation and 2x have a 2. So at x equal to the critical point, when I'll put here d square p by dx square, I will get a minus 2 because it is independent of x. Whatever the value of x, it is same answer, minus 2, and which is less than 0. So we say that at x equal to 12, p, that p is a main function, p is maximum, which is to show. So we have shown it now that p is maximum at x equal to 12. So first number, what number we had? Numbers are x and y. So we got a one number 12, and by 1 you had x plus y equal to 12. So x plus y is equal to, 12, not 24. 24 minus 12 is 12. So you got a first number, you got a second number, and p is a maximum. So all this is a simple way to go through this. But now in upcoming all the questions, students, in word problem will be coming. You know this time the scenario was simple in is given in the word, okay, but you know that you should ready for toughest question. But all gonna be easy by practicing. Let's look few questions. I'll tell you. This is the question. Now try to understand what upcoming is. Look at. I'm telling you one more. Suppose question is 14th one. Find two numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. So can you compare to the last question, this question? In last question we were not given this kind of condition, but we were given the words, and by words we created an equation. But this time fortunately we already given that sum of two numbers is 60. Only the change that in last question we were given the words, and this time it is only the equation. So okay, this equation is given, and what to find out? X and y we want to find. Same situation. Last time we considered, this time it is given. And what to maximum we have to show? Xy cube. This is my main function, to which we have to show it is maxima or minima. That will be our main function. Okay, so how to start the question? First I'll write given x plus y is equal to 60. That is first equation. So after it, what now? To which we have to show it is maxima. This is, so you have to let us assume this is a function, like let p is a function. So normally what we take, if it is in multiplication we take p, if it is in addition we take s sum or something, because we are independent to take the function. You also can take some different symbol here. I am taking p here. Okay, now the question is, to which we have to show it is maximum? P. P is a maximum. So we want to show p is a maximum. P must be the function of either x or y, but it is a function of both. So we will take the help of given. Given is very important. Given is very important. So we take the help of given. So what to do, student? We will put one of the value here. The question mark is here, to which is comfortable to replace. So if you will replace y, you will be in trouble because y cube is there. Y will be 60 minus x cube. Gonna be tough. So I suggest you that put the value of x, which is alone here. 60 minus y is comfortable. And y cube is here. And now, so called same method. I'll multiply to 16 the bracket. And now I'll go with dp by dy. You don't think that it is always, it must be the function of x. It must be the function of y also. One variable must be there. Okay. So we now prove p is a maximum. So so-called method, critical point, will find out. Do the differentiation of this one. 180 y square 4y cube. Take a dp by dy is equal to, as usual, 0. Find two positive number. Find two positive number. It is written positive number. Okay. Now dp by dy is equal to 0. 180 y square 4y cube is equal to 0. Take out common. 4y square common. This is 45 minus single y is equal to 0. 4 is a constant value, can be transferred. So we have option y square equal to 0 or 45 minus y is equal to 0. I'll get y is equal to 0. I'll get y equal to 45. But this is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because x and y both are what number? Positive number. But y is not in the category of positive or negative. So we will avoid it. So we have just y equal to 45. Only one critical point. It is acceptable critical point. So now we will check for the maximum condition now. So for checking, what we do? Second derivative test. D square p by dy square is equal to. Do the differentiation again. It's gonna be 360 y minus 12y square. Now you can put 45, but it's gonna be long. So I just want to do something. Take out first 12y common. It is 30 minus single y. Now put y equal to 45. Put y is equal to 45 here. What you will get? D square p by d is 12 into 45. 30 minus 45. 30 minus 45 is a negative value. And so that at y equal to 45, p is maximum. We have shown p is a maximum. This was called p, na? So p is a maximum. Now you already have found what? Y equal to 45. So the next is x. So by 1 x plus 45 equal to 60. So x equal to 15. You have got numbers. You already have shown p is a maximum. This is a way. Two things are very important. First, the given condition, and second, the main function. And by these two, you can you can reach on your destination, whatever the asked. Okay. So this was a question from my side only. Okay, let's look some good questions. The question is next now. 16 I'm telling you. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. Okay, let's look what question. So almost similar. Starting, we do start. Let two positive numbers are x and y. As per question, their sum is 16, like that, and sum of whose cubes should be minimum. That gonna be our main function. Let sum s of their cubes, sum of whose cubes meaning x cube and y cube have sum, and I labeled it S. I give it name S. S is sum. You also can take some other symbol like A addition. You also can take A here, no matter at all. So I gave the name x cube plus y cube is equal to S, and now we want to show that some S should be minimum. So my main function is S, but S is a function of x and y, which is not in the limit, because you know that it must be the function of one of the variable, either x or y. So we can choose to that replace either x or y from here, whatever you feel comfortable. So I feel comfortable to change y, 16 minus x. So instead of y I'll take 16 minus x whole cube. And now students, if you want to open it you can, but if you admit me, I want to give a suggestion here that don't open it, but do the differentiation ds by dx, because s is a function of x. So do differentiation. Look at what is the differential of the x cube? It's a 3x squared. And what about that? It's a chain rule. First power will come front, 2 will be there, and again differentiation of 16 minus x. 16 have a 0 and minus x minus 1, so it should be minus. That is enough. Okay, now take as usual ds by dx is equal to, take it first, second, sorry. Now it is equal to 0. Then 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x square equal to 0. Then divide by 3, x square 16 minus x whole square equal to 0. Then x square, I want to transfer to that term only, 16 minus x whole square equal to x square. You understand that both gonna be positive. Do transfer, both will be positive. So how to do afterward? You also can open it, or you can take a square root. What will come, student? 16 minus x plus minus x. But if you go with the minus, no matter at all, no meaning at all. Minus x will be cancelled. It is not possible. You understand? If you take a plus sign, 16 minus x will be x. 16 equal to 2x. So x equal to 8 you have got. 8. But this is not your destination. It is the value of x. But before it, you have to show that your S sum should be minimum. So for that only you have to check now. This is critical point. You have to check by doing d square s by dx square equal to, do the differentiation, it's gonna be 6x. And minus 3 to the 6. 16 minus x, power will 1 deduced. And again of 16 minus x will be minus 1. So it gonna be plus. Now put here 8 here at x equal to 8. What will be the sign of dx square? Look at 8 into 6. 16 minus 8. Whatever the value is positive. You can understand. The answer is not necessary to find out, student. If you can identify its sign early, you can use the sign and go after that. Okay. Therefore, at x equal to 8, s is minimum, and only the thing we already got, minimum. And the next is what? Find the number. So x equal to 8, just put here and get your y. Y also be 8. Now write here by 1, x plus y equal to 16. Put your x and x equal to 8 and get y equal to 8 also. That will be your answer. So okay. Now this is a question from my side only. Now let's look some new questions. Till now you were facing very easy condition when simply 2 number we had to find out some equations. This till now had given, and only to the function to which you want to show the maximum or minima, that is specially specified, and you went through all this and got an answer. But now upcoming question gonna be little tough, so we do try, but it is not impossible question. But okay, let's let's watch 17th question. Question says, you also when you will watch the video, no, keep the book front of you and try to read from that also. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top. By cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form the box, what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box must be maximum? So what is the question? So try to understand. I'm again reading and trying to make the picture also, because picture is very important in this case. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. Okay, I'm trying. So this is a square piece of a tin of side, suppose it is ABCD, and the side is 18 centimeter. Side is 18 centimeter and all sides are 18 centimeter. Students, all sides are 18 centimeter. Now question says, from this square tin of side 18 centimeter, a box, open from the top. The box created. How to create? Okay, by cutting a square from each corner. By cutting a square from each corner, what is its meaning? That when you have a square tin, by cutting a square from each corner, this portion, this and this, for the according to the question, you have to cut squares, 4 squares from 4 corners, and when it will be cut out, now what remaining region will be there? Like that, students, like that. This is gonna be remaining. You can understand these 4 squares, it was cut off from the square tin of 18 centimeter. What the rest tin here with you, by this you have to turn and make the open box. How to turn this particular sides? Look at from this, can you see the dotted region? Can you see the dotted region? From there you have to turn. From here you turn like that, here you turn like that, here you turn like that, and here turn like that. After it, you may have an open box which is actually open from the top, and that only formed thing will be definitely cuboid. That cube or something, cuboid that time. Why? What cuboid is called? When length, breadth and height definitely all should not be same. Here also will be happening same. Look at, after doing so, when you will have a cuboid now, what about its length? Okay, I tell you. When you will make the box now, this will be your length, meaning this will be your length. This will be your breadth, meaning this will be your breadth. And after turning this edge will be vertical and this edge will be vertical, meaning this edge will be the height. And this is what question says. Question says, by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flap to, what should be the side of the square? The side of the square is not given. Side of the square is not given, meaning whatever the square you cut now, that side is not given, we consider it is x. So definitely if it is x, look at it is x, it will be the height of the box. So length will be, you also can consider length this and breadth this, no matter at all. Okay, suppose it is length, it is breadth, right? Definitely it is a height, because you know that you're turning whatever side, all sides you're turning, definitely this gonna be your height of the box, and this time it's gonna be cuboid. So the cuboid is the main figure for us, picture for us, and that only what to show after making the cuboid, what should be the side of the square to be cut off, so that volume of the box. What is the meaning of volume? Volume of box. What is box? Box is cuboid. So volume of cuboid must be maximum. We have to show volume of cuboid is maximum. And we also have to find the side of the square which was cut off. Okay. So how to start the question? First I'll start, let side of the square which is cut off from each corner of square tin be x centimeter, meter, whatever. You also can leave it x only. So till now what we have shown? We have shown this is whole is 18. This part is definitely squaric portion. So it is also x. So this is also x. All the sides are x. We don't want to go at all the way. Only this is enough. So if it is x, what about here? Say same, it is x. Definitely it is x. It is also x. And it's enough. Now tell me one thing. This is whole 18. It is x. It is x. The middle portion will be 18 minus 2x. What about that? Same. 18 minus 2x. Because whole was 18. Hey, it is enough. 18 minus 2x is breadth. And 18 minus 2x is a length. And the x is the height of the box. Now, according to question, this is done. Therefore, length of formed cuboid is equal to 18 minus 2x. Breadth of the formed cuboid and height of the formed cuboid will be x. So after measuring length, breadth and height of the formed box, now we can go with the main function, which is volume, which we have to show volume is a maximum. So volume is our main function. So we go with volume. Now volume of the cuboid, this main function. V will be length with height. Length is what? 18 minus 2x. And 18 minus 2x. And breadth is only, height is only x. So can I write 18 minus 2x whole square? That is into x. Now I'll go with v is a function of x. So same I'll do now, dv by dx and checking and so on. Nothing worry about that now. Now I'll go with, because v is a main function. We have to show v is a maximum. V is a function of the x. So we go with the same, dv by dx is equal to, do the d by dx of 18 minus 2x square into x. We have two functions in multiplication. So first function as it is, differentiation of this is 1. Second function x, differentiation of second is power will come front. Again of minus 2x minus 2. So can I write minus 2 to the 4? You do please by your own. And what to do now next? dv by dx you got here. Take out 18 minus 2x common. So 18 minus 2x minus 4x will be there. So overall 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 6x will be there. Now taking, this is 2 or 1. Now what to do? Taking as usual dv by dx will be 0. So two options we will have, 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 6x. One can understand that we get a value of x is equal to, from here 9 and x equal to here 3. So what is possible and what is not possible? Let me explain. If you put 9 now, if you put 9, look at, if x will be 9, so 9 and 9 will be 18 and its whole is 18. So it is nonsense, because x is a part of a side of a square which is actually cutting from this corner. But if x equal to 9 will be taken, 9 and 9 gonna be whole 18, so where the corner will be? So the meaning it is not possible. Only x equal to 3 is a good answer with us. Now what to do? You know that method. Now you have to go with d square y by dx square. So let me rub it now, because it is a nonsense now for us, because already we have done it. Now x equal to 3 we got. Now we do d square by 1 for checking only. D square v by dx square. Go with this. D by dx of 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. It was a function after dy by dx. Now we use the multiplication law. First function, differentiation of second is minus 6 plus 18 minus 6x, differentiation of first function is minus 2. Now put up the value of x equal to 3 here all the way. Some little want to do, or you can multiply here 1 and 8, or you can put at x equal to 3. Put here what answer? 3 2s are 6. 18 minus 6 12. 12 6 are 72, minus 72. 3 put here. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18 0. So all 0. So minus 72 it has been. Which is d square by dx square equal to minus 72, which is less than 0. Meaning v is maximum. V is maximum, and it is already obtained. We were asked that v should be maximum. We have got it. And what answer is? Answer, we have x equal to 3. What question was asked? That the side of the square which is actually cut from the corner of the square 10, and that is, we assumed it was x. It was x, and we got x equal to 3. So final answer is x equal to 3 and volume is maximum. That was the question. So I think till now you just got a habit to make such kind of questions. Okay, we'll have one more question, question number 18 of the exercise, same, and from the miscellaneous one it is one more question. Let me come in your knowledge that example number 50 to 40 page. So do them. Okay, we'll have more videos of this, and you do try to do this question. Thank you.